You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
So,
Afro-Juju musician turned bishop Shina Peters finally responded to the allegations that he had abandoned Damilare Peters, son of late actress Funmi Martins, had for him several years before her untimely death. He called that late Funmi Martins had given birth to her last child, a boy, to the famous Nigerian Juju musician Shina Peters. And earlier this week, Gistlover claimed that the 19-year-old boy had dropped out of school due to lack of funds. Mide Martins, on the other hand, was accused of abandoning the boy and blocking him on WhatsApp to restrict communication with him. In a 9-minute video recording released on social media hours ago, Shina Peters has now spoken out and revealed that there are issues from the past that he will not want to explore, but assured that he will now take full responsibility for Damilare. He also disclosed that he had raised billionaires and raised other children of late Funmi Martins, Mide and Tunde Martins.
Thanking all the concerned people around the world. Even I would like to thank the Gistlover that started this issue, because I'm no more a kid, for crying out loud. I'm over 60. Wọ́n lágbàlagbà kì í ṣe láńgbàláńgbà. But mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ abiyamọ ayé. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin abiyamọ tẹ́ dìde sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin, tẹ́ fi ìfẹ́ hàn, torí lójú tèmi ìfẹ́ ni. Wọ́n ní tí èèyàn bá mọnúrò àmọ̀pẹ̀dá, tó bá pẹ́ lómi ni a rí gbogbo nǹkan tó mú ká, gbogbo nǹkan tó kọ nípa òun kíní kan bá kan. Ẹni tí ó gbọ́ etí kan, ẹni tó gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu èèyàn kan tí ò gbọ́ kejì, tó give judgment, tó wá ní judge onítọ̀hún, lójú tèmi náà mo ṣe rí pé ìfẹ́ náà ẹni lé yóò bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ wọ́n ti èèyàn ní dásí rárá. Ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ayé, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ ṣé gan ni, ẹ ṣé, mo dúpẹ́. Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni wípé ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nínú ìwé kọ́bọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n a ti dàgbà, a kì í ṣọmọdé mọ́. Báwo ni irú mi ṣe máa pa ọmọ tì? Kí ló fẹ́ ná mi? Ọmọ mélòó ni mo ti tọ́ nílé ayé mi? Kò lóǹkà. Èmi nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọdé gan-an. Wáyé tó ṣe wá máa jẹ́ pé Dámiláre ni mi ò ní tọ́jú. Wọ́n ní tí ó bá nídìí, obìnrin kì í jẹ́ kúmọ́lú. Ṣùgbọ́n láti lè ká gbàgbé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn tí mi ìdẹ̀ ní báyọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan sọ, kò sí ní kán gbọ́bẹ̀lé mi lọ́rọ̀ àmì ẹ̀yìn sọ. Èmi ò ní mi ò tọ́jú Dámiláre o. Gbogbo yín mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ wípé láti ìjẹta lèmi pẹ̀lú Dámiláre láti ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fóònù. Mo ti ní mi ní sọ̀rọ̀ rárá, torí a ti gbé ìgbésẹ̀ wípé àti Dámiláre àti bàbá Dèjì tó ń gbé ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ àti sọ wípé ní ọ̀la gbogbo wa àfojúkojú. Gbogbo nǹkan tí n bá fi pé òbí ń ṣe fún ọmọ gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá mo fi ń dá ẹ̀yìn abiyamọ lóòótọ́ kẹ́ dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mo fi ń dá yín lójú pé mi ní disappoint yín. Bàbá ni mí mo ti tọ́ ọmọ tọ́mọ wọn ò lè yọkú mi wọn ṣọkú mọ́ mi lórí. Mo ti tọ́ mílíọ̀níà wáyé tó ṣe wá jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ Dámiláre wá ní mi ò ní tọ́. Ẹ̀bẹ̀ kan tí mo kàn fẹ́ bẹ̀ yìí ni wípé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n sọ ọmọdé yìí di oníbàárà tí wọ́n ń dáwó fún nítorí ọjọ́ ọ̀la ẹ̀. Àbọ̀rọ̀ máa ní kọ́ máa dá owó fún ọmọ nígbàtí ẹni tó lè tọ́jú ẹ̀ tó wà. Kì í ṣe èmi ni mi ò tọ́jú Dámiláre. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti wà nílẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ tí mo sọ pé mi ò lè ní sọ nípa ẹ̀ mọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ dẹ̀ mọ̀ á dẹ̀ máa rókì nínú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn. Ṣùgbọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wá dá sí yìí nítorí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dá sí ẹ̀yìn abiyamọ ayé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dá sí yìí ìdùnnú mi ni máa tọ́ Dámiláre. Méjì tí mo ní mo fẹ́ ní pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ àti ẹ̀pẹ́ ni ẹ̀rẹ́ kí ló fẹ́ ṣe kí ló fẹ́ kí n ṣe ibo ló fẹ́ kí n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí n bá rí pé dúpín ìyẹ́gbà kó má lọ léwu torí wọ́n sọ fún yín pé ó fẹ́ lọ fún ó fẹ́ wà into entertainment. Yes, ó lè wà into entertainment but á kà ìwé. Wọ́n ló ti ṣe jáàmù lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ̀mejì kò make it fine. Èmi á ní kó lọ gba fọ́ọ̀mù kó tún jáàmù yẹn ṣe ní agbára Ọlọ́run ọba tí mo ń sìn ní ọlá àwẹ̀ tí mo wà nínú ẹ̀yìn. Ọlọ́run á bá mi dúró tì á dẹ̀ pass ayege á dẹ̀ fi sí yunifásitì. Tó bá wà wù tó bá ti kàwé tán nǹkan kíkan tó bá fẹ́ ṣe kò máa ṣe gbà yẹn ọtí ibi tí mo tó sí pé ní àwọn ọmọ mi kò sí tí ó kàwé náà wọn so ó láti kàwé ó láti lọ sí school. Ká ní ó mọlé mi ó mọ̀nà mi ó wá bá mi ní ìjọ tí wọ́n ló wá sílé mi tí wọ́n ní mi ò dá lóhùn ẹni tó mú wá òun wọlé ìgbà tí mo sì onítọ̀hún bọ́tà mo ti jáde tán sí lẹ́nu géètì mi lóòótọ́ sọ mi pé lágbájá máa ní mo ní kí ló dé tí ẹ̀ mú wọlé ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ tún dé ló mú wá ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tí ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ wá bá mi sọ ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ni mo tọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ èmi ni mo tọ̀ Túndé Martins èmi ni mo tọ̀ Nídé Martins èmi ni mo tọ̀ so báwo ni ìṣèwá ní tọ́ òun. So mi kì í ṣe bàbá tó neglect ọmọ mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ àti tó jẹ́ tèmi àti tí kì í ṣe tèmi. Èmi ni wọ́n kọ́ rí pé ọmọ níyì ní Olúwa ọmọ níní sì ní èrè ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bọ́fà ṣe rí lọ́wọ́ alágbára bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ọmọdé rí. Mi ìlú wo mọ́ ọ̀tá mi ò lọ́ta kó màrá rí kámpélì dé ẹni tí wọ́n lé nǹkan ni. So for now mo ibi tí mo ṣe fọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ti sí ní ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀yin àbíamáyé gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ kì í ṣe pàtàkì nínú yẹn gbogbo ẹ̀ ni máa ṣe. So mi ò ní mo ti dàgbà ju wọ́n ní èyàn kì í gbọ́ kúkúrú lẹ́nu àbọ̀ rẹ̀ rere èèyàn máa ń gbọ́. Mo ti dàgbà ju ẹni tó máa padà sí ẹ̀yìn ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ lẹ́yìn tipẹ́tipẹ́ tí mi ò lè rẹ́dì láti ṣe àpẹẹrẹ anybody nítorí ọjọ́ ọ̀la ọmọ yẹn ṣùgbọ́n mo fi dá yín lójú wípé máa tọ́ dárì àdìrún àdìgbà ní orúkọ Jésù ní agbára Ọlọ́run Mósè Olúmọládé tí mo ń sìn kò ní kú, á lókìkí bí yẹ ṣe ní, á lókìkí bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe ní. Ẹ ṣé, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o, oore lè ṣe fún mi o. Ilé àtọ̀nà tí yín náà kò ní bàjẹ́. Àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ bí wọ́n á yàn, wọ́n á yege, ẹ̀yin náà á jẹ wọn ní orúkọ Jésù Kristi Olúwa àti Olùgbàlà mi. Àmín.
Meanwhile, Gistlover has revealed that the popular Afrojuju musician Shina Peters is asking for a DNA test. Damilare also spoke and confirmed what had been said by the older man. He said he had no access to his elder sister, Mide Martins. The young boy noted that whenever they meet in family roles, the actress would promise to help him, but would later renounce her promise.
Good day, sir.
You're welcome.
Firstly, we want to say thank you for allowing us to come to your house. We are here because of the issue that is going around the social media about your son Damilare. We've had so many about him that he's living with you. Some say he's not living with you, that his auntie is taking good care of him. So we want to know the real story behind everything we are hearing online. We know if we see you, you'll be able to tell us details what is happening, sir. People need to know the truth.
Oh, well, I thank you, my brother, for coming in this matter. What really happened is that ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn, which I don't normally like to talk or give comments. But thank God you have come to meet me in my house to know what you want to know. And at the same time, I want to thank the so-called Gistlover, or what is the name? I want to thank that person.
Okay, the blogger that first posted it, Gistlover.
Gistlover. I want to thank them very well for bringing out this issue. I only want to comment so that at least what he's trying to do will not go to the wrong channel or will not go to the wrong person. You know, people have been making use of picture to do whatever they can do, you know, on media. But I believe this video will put light to so many things. People might be saying that, but I want to believe, according to your question, Damilare is living with me, and you know, many people have been witnessing to that on the comment I read on my social media. And we pay so much. I don't have many something to say much about it than what people have been saying. And you know, to talk of, mo believe pé ẹni tí wọ́n bá rí ọmọ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ náà ló yẹ kán believe pé ọmọ ń gbé lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. So èmi ń gbé ní Sango, òun ń gbé ní ibi tí wọ́n sọ pé ń gbé tí mo mọ̀ pé kò sún mọ́ra wọn. So it's possible for me to produce Damilare tí mo sọ wípé ń gbé lọ́dọ̀ mi. Ẹ jẹ́ bá mi pé Damilare kó wá yọjú sáwọn èèyàn so that at least kò ní dàbí ẹni pé àkàn ń sọ. This is the boy Damilare. You know, I can claim him to be my son. Nítorí pé Bíbélì jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé nígbà tí bàbá àti ìyá rẹ̀ bá kọ̀ sílẹ̀, èmi ò tẹ́wọ́ gbà. Ọlọ́run kì í dẹ̀ fìyàn sílẹ̀ fún ìyàjẹ́. Ìtàn ẹ̀ bó ṣe rí ọ̀nà jìn, ṣùgbọ́n lọ́jọ́ tí wọ́n bí tó dàbí ẹni pé nǹkan fẹ́ wọlẹ̀ tí bàbá ò sí nílé, èmi náà ni mo gbé dání. Mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé Ọlọ́run ṣe dá ẹ̀mí mi sí, ọmọ náà dẹ̀ sì tún wà lákàtà mi up till now. Ó lè wà lákàtà mi títí láé gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn dìde tí wọ́n ṣetán láti ṣùgbà ẹ̀. Mo gbà wípé ọmọ ọdún 19 àbá ó tójú bọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí òfin Nàìjíríà. So ìrànlọ́wọ́ tán bá fẹ́ ṣe fún Damilare, ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn tó ṣetán láti ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ yẹn fún kán ṣe fún directly. bó ṣe wà yìí tán bá gba right channel ó ní àkáǹtì tiẹ̀ tá a forúkọ ẹ̀ sí abíkápá àmọ́ pé nǹkan báyìí ti rí ó máa wáyé ni ṣùgbọ́n ó ní àkáǹtì tiẹ̀ tá a forúkọ ẹ̀ sí tó yẹ kó ń lò ní personally ó ní project tiẹ̀ tó ń rọrùn tí kì í ṣe pé bóyá ní tá a sọ pé at least èèyàn náà ti ń sọ wípé kí lóun fẹ́ ṣe láti fi jẹ́yàn láyé mo lè sọ wípé nítorí títí ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe wọ industry lọ láti sọ wípé at least kó mọ gbogbo àwọn 1 or 2 things ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ láti rí pé ó ti dédé kan. So hear from me.
Thank you so much, sir. We really appreciate the way you talk to us. May God bless you and give you long life and prosperity.
Amen.
Damilare Peters, you're welcome. How are you?
Fine.
Hope you are doing good.
Yeah.
We've heard from Dad, and you, all what he said, what can you say about it? Because you are no more a kid.
Well, I just really thank God for my life. He kept me over since when I gave birth to through my father and my mother's family. So many times I do watch Mide Martins interview. When they ask of me, she said I'm in abroad, she's taking care of me. But èmi believe through nǹkan tí wọ́n kọ́ mi wípé lásìkò nǹkan bá ti pọ̀ ìwọ̀n lè force Ọlọ́run láti ṣe. So she cannot tell me since when I know right different from left. I've seen her like this. For the past 5 to 6 years now, even Dojo to the extent that
Filiazar, do you meet him at a particular family function place or
okay? When our grandma died.
Okay, grandma.
She won't make a promise that she will help me clinic one and my brother. Since then, to see. But I thank God, everything I thank God. I just want to talk to my people, my loved ones, that anything they have to help, because I still have my own project in this film industry that I'm trying to make. So when it's double film, I know God will help me more. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Before we go, I just want to confirm a statement, because some people have been saying that you are not taking good care of that. You didn't even attend any school, but the way you are talking to me, you are talking like a learner person. So I'm surprised.
That one, I finished my senior secondary school level last year, so I'm trying to gain admission to university level.
Okay.
There's no financial backup, so
I believe God will come to your rescue. Your loved ones are seeing you. I believe this video will do a lot. Will go viral, because people have been clamoring that they want to see you in person. And once again, our daddy, we so much appreciate your kind gesture. Lágbára Ọlọ́run á wò wọ́n fún yín. Fún àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀, mo jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀yin gangan ni direct and immediate brother sí olóògbé. Píṣọ̀ wọn gan tẹ̀ ní ẹ̀. Píṣọ̀ wọn wonderful. Píṣọ̀ wọn gan lélẹ̀. This is picture.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tí àjọ ń sọ.
Yes, sir.
Ọlọ́run nìkan náà ni ó lè ṣe ló lè san oníkálukú lẹ́san ìwà rẹ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀ òjò ti rọ̀ sílẹ̀ ti fi mu. In the last 19 years, kì í ṣe pé irú àwọn nǹkan báyìí ò tí ì jẹyọ, but I always like to keep calm and remain silent.
Wow.
But àsìkò sọ̀rọ̀ sókè láwàá.
Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o.
That's it bá mi.
Béèyàn bá dákẹ́ tààrẹ àbá dákẹ́. Ọmọ yìí ti kú lọ́mọdé ọwọ́. Ó ti kú lọ́mọ à ń gbé kọ́rùn roko. Gbogbo àkókò tá a wà kì í ṣàṣekó pé a fẹ́ ra pampers fún. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá a fẹ́ de pampers fún láàárọ̀ owó ẹ̀. Àti rówó oúnjẹ fún, àti rówó iléèwé lọ fún, gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ní ìsìn òun náà ti tó dá dúró, ó ti tó di ọ̀gá ilé iṣẹ́. Tó bá ràn lọ́wọ́ tí project ẹ̀ bá jáde bọ́n ṣe wí, bàbá nínú project ló ti máa sọ pé òun fẹ́ kàyé tó kù wé òun.
Yes, good one.
Téèyàn bá ní iṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́, tọ́lọ́run bá ran àwọn èèyàn lọ́wọ́ tán bá establish ẹ̀, ó tán. ó tán ó máa dé èèyàn nìyẹn. A lè mú èèyàn dódò, a lè máa fún èèyàn lẹ́ja jẹ, ṣùgbọ́n kò dàbí ká mú lọ sódò ká fún ní wọ̀, wọ́n á pẹja fún
Wọ́n yẹn fish fún rẹ̀. That's it,
tó
sir.
bá ti ní àwọn nǹkan kan tó jẹ́ pé ó ń mú owó wọlé sínú àkáǹtì fún àti sọ pé ó fẹ́ lọ sílé ìwé, táwọn èèyàn bá tẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe fún á ṣe fún ni, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n máa rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tí ò fẹ́ kankan ṣe. Torí ó níbi tí èèyàn lè ràn yàn lọ́wọ́ dé tí wọ́n máa sọ pé àfọwọ́ project àfọwọ́ oúnjẹ, mo fẹ́ wọ oúnjẹ, mo fẹ́ wọ school, mo fẹ́ wọ kìnìkan tí ò ní súyàn. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kó só lóore wa. Ẹ ṣé gan gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ ń dá sí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá títí di ìsìn, àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's all.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mide Martins, who is also the daughter of late Funmi Martins, has responded after Shina Peters denied the allegations that he doesn't take care of Damilare. She expressed her gratitude to those who contributed to the issue and assured that she will take care of her brother Damilare as she demands for his full custody because Damilare is presently staying with his uncle. Mide Martins made this statement after Damilare and his uncle was interviewed, where Damilare explained that he had no access to his elder sister, Mide Martins.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.